With the Ontraport mobile app, you can access all kinds of business data, even when you leave your desk. In this video, I'll show you how to navigate through your records inside the app so you can manage your Ontraport account from anywhere. When you open the app, the first thing you'll see is the Today screen. Think of this as your mobile dashboard. At the very top of the screen, you'll see a few live stats for the day. New contacts, active contacts, new customers, and sales. These give you some nice insight since you can see how each metric changes from one day to the next. Move down the screen and you'll see all the tasks assigned to you for that day. This is a great place to keep track of your schedule and stay on top of your projects. If you navigate away from the Today screen and want to come back, just click this little sun icon here. So, that's your Today screen. Now I'll show you how to access all your different collections. Just like the desktop version of Ontraport, you'll have access to all your object collections in the mobile app. For now, I'll only show you around the contacts collection, but your deals, companies, and other objects will work the same way. Once you're inside your contacts collection, you can search for specific records here. If you want to sort your records, tap this icon to rearrange them however you'd like. If you've created groups of records in the desktop app, you'll be able to see those here too. Or if you want, you can create a new record on the fly. If you want to perform a quick action, you can select a contact by tapping their icon. You'll notice that this Add New button just turned into an action button. Use your action menu to send an email or text message to this contact. Change a field in the record, add tags, update automation, add related tasks, or delete the record entirely. You can do this for just one record or select a bunch of records and update them all at once. Pretty sweet, right? When you need details about an individual record, just tap it. You'll see a screen that looks a lot like Quick View from Ontraport's desktop app. In each record, you'll have 3 tabs: Overview, Details, and more. I'll start with the Overview tab. Your Overview tab gives you easy access to the contact information in this record. See this icon next to the email address field? Give it a tap and you'll be able to shoot your contact a quick message. The same goes for their phone number. Just click this little phone icon to make a call. When you do that, you'll notice this pop-up that asks you if you want to log the call right when you're done. That's a pretty cool feature, but I'll save it for the customizing your app video. If you need to edit any of these fields, you can click this pencil icon at the top. Remember the action button from earlier? It's here too. It lets you perform the same actions I told you about before. Plus, when you're inside a single record like this, you'll also have the option to make or log a call for this particular contact. All these actions will show up for every record in the app. That's it for the Overview tab. The Details tab functions just like Quick View too. You can add whatever fields you'd like to have on hand while performing a certain job. You'll see this pencil icon to edit the information in the record, just like in the Overview tab. But you've also got the Setting icon. This is where you can pick out the fields you want to see and organize them on the screen. For more details on how this works, check out the Customizing Your App video. Let's wrap it up with the More tab. This one shows you all your tasks and related records. For example, say your contact is related to a particular deal in your sales pipeline, that deal will show up here and you can tap it to view all the details in that record. And of course, you can always pick and choose which widgets you'd like to see here and how they're organized. To adjust those settings, tap this Settings wheel. Now you know how to navigate through all the records using the Ontraport mobile app. So don't worry about packing your computer every time you leave the office. Grab your phone or tablet and you're good to go from anywhere.